What's going on, everybody, and welcome back to the channel. So today we're going to take a look at how you can get some dope Ableton templates and how you can customize and even make your own. So let's jump right into this. And just as a quick reminder, my new drum kit's going to be coming out on Friday, so if you want a chance to win it for free, leave a comment on this video, and then I'll pick somebody at random to win that drum kit on Christmas Day. So this is an example of the template that I just made earlier today. As you can see, it's like green themed with white, and it's just in like a darker mode. So this is what it looks like, and this is also going to be included in the drum kit as well, as a little bonus. Okay guys, so what you're going to want to do is go to livethemes.co here. This is where you can find all these Ableton themes that people make. So you can click on browse up here. And then you have like a little sort bar over on the side, so you can sort it by which ones that you want to see. So the newest, the oldest, featured, most downloaded, highest rated. So you probably go with like highest rated or most downloaded or something like that. And then you can go through all these different little previews and things like that. Actually, that one looks pretty close to what I did. So you can go through all these and you can find one that you like, or if you find one that you like and it's pretty close, you could, like, let's say we like this one, you can click on it now and you can even edit it from this point. So in order to edit it or download it, you're gonna have to make an account with them, and once you have an account, you can either download it or you can press this remix button right here and it's gonna pull open their editor. And what you can do is you can just exit out of this and it's gonna have the sample one in the background. And what you can do is you can click on these different elements here and it's gonna pop it up for you. And then you can change the color from here. Otherwise, you can go through the list of elements that are actually in here and try to sort them out manually. So as you can see, there's a ton of them and they're all different colors, so it can be a little confusing and very time consuming to get perfect. So if you were going to go in and create your own from scratch, I would recommend that you have a color palette to start with that already looks good. Because if you just start trying random colors, you're going to be messing with it for days. But if you use one like this that's already pretty much there and you just tweak a couple things, you'll probably be good to go. So yeah, you would just go through these different things here and you go through the color picker, so you can either put in the color hex there, or you can go for RGB values or the hue, saturation, and those values as well. So after you have a theme that you like, what you can do is you can actually save it then, and you can give it a name like this. So let's say I want to call it Blue Main. And then you can save it, and you can even go public with it if you want, but you can save it as one that you made. And then it'll be on your account and linked to your account at all times. So what you're going to do from there is you're then going to download it. And it's going to take a second to download the theme. And so what we're going to do is we're going to find the file that we just downloaded. Then copy it so you remember where it's at. If you have a Mac, you're gonna go into your applications, go to Ableton, and go to Show Package Contents. Otherwise, if you don't have a Mac, just search for the Contents folder here. And then we're gonna go into App Resources, down into Themes, and then you can paste it into your themes. So now we got the Blue Main one that we just saved here. And it's really as easy as that. So then what you can do is you can open your Ableton, go to Preferences, and the theme should be showing up now. So now we can switch right to Blue Main, and now we have the Blue Main one, even though this is a little too crazy and intense for me. But that's just how you can set it up and go with it. And like I said, this is going to be included in my drum kit for free. I'm going to work it out a little bit more and get things perfect and then throw it in there for you guys. So don't forget to leave a comment on this video so you can win my drum kit for free. And subscribe to the channel if you're new here, because we're dropping daily tutorials and you're not going to want to miss out on them. But besides that, I'll be catching you guys again in the next one. Peace out.